Menta ka khat lai tarik no pra arhajar phaulai. Palat lai spa Tylli ki Tyndong Pyrsad Tdem jong ki Shaka. Kila sha Tylliat penwet no haka roller Tylliat rong. Na kini ki Shaka ki pulet kila yok dan kuna khat arlak tingka tam kata haka ni ka shisnem. USB ka es khasi hills uba silver star nong tenger. Ulaong bala dan kuna san hajar ka we ka Shaka. Bat kitu ki bom trek ban weng ye u Tyndong Pyrsad Tdem. Bat penherjing sawa la kurup sendan ye ki Shaka. Ulama ham ba om tang ye ki Shaka. Henry ya ki sau Shaka ni ki kaliru ki ba pen kala khala na ka bala buka company kentup ki ba ta yit yong en kendang bat dan kuna kat kum ka motor vehicle act kini ki Tyndong Pyrsad le air ki bala sha pen ko ki de ki bala kurup ha kini ki sngi na ki Shaka ki bala pendaj be an ki bala penwet bat sat kelut ya ki breu na ka jing pen he jing sawa bat ki de ki balong be an.
Shillong tribe teams is working hard to seize all this modified silencer. So you have since this year we started from January and till date we have seized 320 we have detected, but then we have seized 181. Previously when we detected we request the owner to to remove on their own, but then we realized that later that some are again using it. So when we realized that, then now we have seized this 181, so which will be destroyed shortly now, and the STP will continue to detect all the modified silencer which is not authorized by law. So we'll continue to do that, and right now which is and fine also we are gonna
12 lakhs for this year only, 12 lakhs 46,500.
Okay, for this year we realized fines from all this modified silencer about 12 lakhs 46,500, and that has been deposited to the government. What we want to tell the people, those who are using vehicles, that either four-wheelers or two-wheelers, that they should not alter anything. Whatever they bought from the company, that it should not fit with these modified silencers or even the tinted glass also that will come later. So they should not alter anything. They should use the vehicle whatever they receive from the company, and we'll do it crushing today. Perhaps maybe in future we'll do that. Maybe we can sell to the scrap this and that. But then as of now, we want to show to the people that we mean business and we are crushing it, and we are not, because somebody says that perhaps we are resale it, no? So we are not doing that, and you have seen with your own eyes that we'll crush it and it cannot be reused again. Okay, so that is the message. They should use whatever the vehicles has been made by the company, either four-wheelers or two-wheeler.
I just want to add against these modified exhaust pipes and all that. It has become a social nuisance whereby there's a lot of noise, especially at unearthly hours, and this noise is troublesome for children who are studying at night, for senior citizens and all that. It is very disturbing, and one vehicle or two-wheeler with modified exhaust pipe causes the kind of noise which is actually unbearable. People lose sleep. People they cannot have attend to their studies properly and all that. So this has become, there's been a lot of actually outcry about this and all that. And public, one thing I'd like to thank the public also actually who have given us this information. They would send us numbers, they would send us information over our 112 and also directly to us, for which we have been able to seize all these things. So we appreciate the public support.
Shillong traffic team is on the job. We are doing one at a time. You have seen now we have done all this seized, detected all this modified silencer and so on. So frequently we are checking, even this not only for this, we are checking for this rash and negligence. Not that we have not done. We have detected since January of this year. Okay, so now it's running for 1 year.
Seizing the silencer starts from the month of August only. So we have seized since the month of August, and we have got 181. Prior to that, we didn't seize.
Prior to that, as I said earlier, we request the owners to remove on their own. But then we realized that later on that some again we detected, I mean the same which we have detected in the earlier part. So then we realized that we need to seize. So then that's why we seized 181 from August of this year till yesterday. So and we'll continue that, and under the leadership of SP Traffic, Mr. Pyrsad, and two SP, Mr. Joel and David.
That they are also liable. So we've at the first instance we have already taken up with them that they should stop selling apart from these other items also which are prohibited by the MV Act, and thereafter if they're still selling then we will take legal action.